FreePick is built for a world where creating content is easier than ever, but standing out is harder than ever. Brands and creators don't just need more content, they need better content, and they need tools that make quality, speed, and collaboration work together. With FreePick, you can generate images using multiple vetted models, each tuned for different creative needs. You can refine those images instantly with retouch tools, intelligent aspect ratio adjustments that preserve composition and style, and market-leading upscaling powered by our proprietary Magnific technology. For video, FreePick offers access to top-tier generation models and powerful editing features like character replacement and video extension, helping creators build coherent, high-quality sequences. And to complete the process, you can add sound and music inside the platform, bringing each piece to life with a fully integrated audiovisual workflow. Everything connects through spaces where teams can organize assets, structure workflows, and collaborate in real time using shared projects. And for customers who need deeper support, our studios team provides hands-on creative and technical expertise. FreePick brings quality, control, and collaboration together in one platform, enabling creators and brands to produce distinctive, intentional work at the speed today's world demands.